Greetings, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to the Darab Education Platform, your ultimate destination for the best opportunities worldwide for students, researchers, and professionals. Do you dream of working in another country as an immigrant? Do you wonder how to begin your international job search and what to prepare for? In this video, we will give you some useful tips on how to find a job abroad as an immigrant. Each tip will be explained in a separate video, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We also want to hear from you, so please leave your comments and questions below this video. We will use your feedback to create more videos that suit your needs. Let's get started. Find the best job and country match for your skills and interests. Choose the perfect job and country for your talents and passions. The first step to finding a job abroad is to know what you want to do and where you want to live. Don't settle for anything less than your dream job and destination. Do your homework and research different countries and cultures, and discover the amazing opportunities that await you in your industry or field of interest. Leverage the internet and social media to find and apply for awesome jobs abroad. The internet is your ultimate tool for finding a job abroad. You can access a variety of online platforms and networks to explore jobs, network with employers, showcase your work, and promote yourself. Create a stunning resume and cover letter that will wow any employer. Your resume and cover letter are your keys to getting a job abroad. You need to customize them to the specific job and country you want to work in. You also need to follow the best practices and expectations of the country you are applying to, such as the format, length, language, and tone of your documents. Showcase your relevant skills, achievements, and qualifications, and demonstrate how you can add value to the employer. Nail your job interview and negotiate your salary and benefits like a pro. Once you land a job interview, you need to get ready and impress your potential employer. You need to research the company, the role, and the culture of the country you want to work in. You also need to practice your answers to common interview questions, as well as some questions specific to working abroad. You need to dress professionally, be on time, be courteous, and be confident. After the interview, you need to follow up with a thank you note and wait for the feedback. If you receive an offer, you need to negotiate your salary and benefits based on your research and expectations. Master the visa and work permit process with ease and confidence. One of the key steps to working abroad is securing the right visa and work permit. You need to research the visa requirements and conditions for the country you want to work in, and apply for the suitable visa type. You also need to prepare all the required documents and fees, and follow the application process diligently. Some employers may assist you with the visa process, but you should also take charge and stay informed about it. Plan your relocation and settle in your new country smoothly and happily. The final step of working abroad is relocating to your new country and adjusting to your new life. You need to plan ahead for your travel arrangements, accommodation, transportation, banking, insurance, healthcare, taxes, and other essentials. You also need to pack wisely, bring important documents, and inform relevant authorities about your move. Once you arrive in your new country, you need to explore your surroundings, meet new people, learn the language, respect the culture, and enjoy. We will also share some inspiring stories of immigrants who have successfully found their dream jobs abroad and how they did it. You will learn from their tips and experiences and get motivated to pursue your own goals. Working abroad is an incredible opportunity to grow personally and professionally, to learn new things, to meet new people, and to have fun. Don't let anything stop you from chasing your dreams. Watch this video and get ready to find your job abroad today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on opportunities worldwide. Thank you for watching.